our Jacob. Hope you all are liking and sharing our videos. Today I am going to make 3 simple paper crafts suitable for origami beginners. Making a very simple lotus. For this we need a pink paper and a strip of a green paper. First I am going to fold the pink paper like this. Now I am going to cut this remaining part. Now I am going to fold the paper like this. Now I am going to do like this. Fold the paper like this. Repeat the same to the other side also. And do the same. I'm going to do like this. Now I'm going to do like this. And I'm going to put one side bigger than the other one. Now I'm going to take this small part and put it in here. Then do like this. Then do the same to the other side also. Do the same to the other side also. Hold these two sides. See, there is a hole in here. Now I am going to blow there slowly. Then I am going to fold the paper like this. Now I am going to make a stick out of this paper. Now I am going to glue this green paper. The stick inside this hole. Friends, our easy simple paper lotus is ready. We are going to make the simplest paper boat. First fold the paper like this. I'm going to cut this remaining part. Now fold the paper like this. Then fold the paper like this. 2, 3. Now I'm going to fold the 3 papers like this. Then turn the paper and do like this. Then do like this. Then take these 2 things and open it like this. See, our easy simple paper boat is ready. Next we are going to make a very simple envelope. This has very few steps only. For this we need a A4 sheet paper and a cello tape. First I am going to take the fold the paper like this. Then I am going to cut this remaining part. Then I am going to do like this. Then I am going to put this corner over here. Now I am going to take one of this paper and put it like this. Now I am going to put cello tape over here. Now our easy simple envelope is ready. You can put anything inside this and give to your friends or family. I'm going to write a message for my father. Now I am going to put the secret inside this. Evening I am going to give this to my father. Please do try these simple crafts at home and enjoy. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon and all options. Thank you. Bye-bye.